As I was finishing up my education at the University of Kentucky, I'd always had an interest in horses. My family in general was not in the horse background, but as luck would have it, I ran into an employee at TaylorMade. We had a brief conversation. He basically came back and relayed that I had an interest in the business, and next thing I know, I got a phone call, came out and started on the farm, and from there, it was 22 years ago, and it's been a heck of a ride, been a really good one. The Taylors always believe that you start from the ground up, and that's exactly what I did. When I came in, I wasn't even allowed to touch a horse the first 90 days I was here. I was washing tubs and cleaning buckets and mucking stalls, and then finally got the opportunity to start actually working with them. One of the greatest things about working with the Taylor family, there's never a ceiling on your head, never did I ever feel there was. And allowing me to just grow gradually and become a very, very good horseman, and then from there, have the opportunity to start working with a customer base. It's been unbelievable. It's a dream come true, actually. I like to work very one-on-one, right on their level, regardless if I'm dealing with a corporate CEO or if I'm dealing with the groom himself. I think when you have that one-on-one interaction and you can do that, then when it comes to processing their goals, getting to understand really what their vision is, what they want out of the game, then it's easier to piece it together and put together that game plan to make it happen. Where we take a lot of pride is getting that horse that may not be just that top-notch individual, get them in the right spot, and that horse excels as well. And that's a secret of ours, and we've been very successful with it year in and year out.
Jeff's just been unbelievable in how much he's learned and what he's brought to the company over the past 22 years. He went from groom to barn foreman to divisional manager up to moving up my job, and did it for 10 years as actually the farm manager. And so he gained all kinds of knowledge and experience, hands-on, coming through the barns, and he understands the operation fully. And it just makes him a very rounded, good horseman.
What I like about Jeff is you can pair him up with a client that's got any size of portfolio, and there's nothing that he hasn't done. He ran our farm. He's got a really good eye for a horse, and he knows how to do matings. He's really got like a sixth sense for doing matings. And he's just a very well-rounded, articulate guy that he could be running his own business, but luckily for us, he's chosen to stay under the TaylorMade banner, and he's a big asset for all of our customers.